I missed it. Oh! Oh, pizza, yay.
Here.
Pizza, oh yeah. Check the thing on the hot pocket.
Yeah, these ones fucking melt really quick. Wash me a spoon.
Honey, stop asking me things 10 times in a row.
I'm not asking, I'm telling.
No.
I love you. Oh, God, I love you so much. I'm so happy to have you in my life. You know, you're a psycho. And
You're the psycho. You pissed me off.
You pissed me off.
Meow, meow. No.
Sexy.
You sexy. Go away, sexy. Leave me alone. I'm doing things for you.
She's like, God, what did Jake do last night? The bed's all up. I was like, that wasn't last night, that was this morning. He woke up in a bad mood.
Let me see, she give you a high five. Pow! The bed's all upside down on the ceiling.
She's like, isn't he annoying? I was like, yeah.
Whatever, she's annoying.
But I love him.
I love her. Get over there. Love you, baby. Put house in the house.
Thought you were doing some work in here.
I'm working. I know, honey, it takes me a real long time to do things, anything at all. I don't have a lighter. Period.
You don't have a lighter at all?
Honey, I can read your mind, yay. Give me all this, all this, all this.